And today's video is being sponsored by our friends from HyperX. And ang dami nila pinadala guys for me to try here on my gaming rig. And of course, to start off, hawak natin dito is the HyperX Quadcast S. And one of my favorite mic to. Before pa lang, nung nakita ko itong ginagamit ng ibang mga content creator na sabi nila maganda to dahil may condenser mic, I was quite amazed. But I didn't really get the chance to buy one, to try one until today. And I have here is the white variant. Ang ganda, guys. I'm not really too much of a fan ng white. No, alam nyo, ng setup ko, normally it's black. But having this kind of mic here sa harap ko, and to do some podcasts, to do some vlogging like this one, or just simply to play games and use the mic. Simple. Or live stream pa nga, guys. This is probably the thing that you need for all those activities na gagawin ninyo. I believe that this mic, kasi one of my main problem here sa aking channel is echo. So, one of the hardest thing to cancel inside the room is echo. And this one simply just takes out all the echo and just cancel it. Kasi meron siya, it's basically a condenser mic. So, I'll be quickly showing you yung kanyang mga specs. So, hawak natin dito is the box itself. And sabi nga dito, HyperX Quadcast S. And reading some specs over here sa side, meron siyang anti-vibration shock mount na nasa loob ng box, no? So, hindi ko na siya ginamit dahil ginamit ko yung aking mic stand. Then, of course, there's tap to mute sensor. Ito, pag makita mo mag-off yung ilaw ko. Yan ang, yung mute sensor ko. Then, of course, 4 polar patterns. And, alam naman natin na this one can quickly be controlled by the HyperX Ingenuity. Para lahat ng mga HyperX mo na may RGB, pantay ang kanyang color. So, parehong kung gusto mong breathing, kung gusto mo just pare-pareho lang ilaw nila, nakailaw lang, or gusto mong yung flow, depende. Kaka-calibrate mo lang. Sa akin right now, naka-flow lang siya. Tuloy-tuloy na yung color, nagsiswitch siya. For every 4 seconds, magsiswitch siya. So, yun ang aking setting as of the moment. And of course, meron siyang 4 na switching mode dito. So, you can use stereo mode, you can use omnidirectional mode, pwede ka mag-cardioid, and pwede ka mag-bidirectional. So, ano nga bang mga different functions nito? Stereo, you can use it for vocals, kumakanta, and stuff like that. Omnidirectional, well, conference calls, podcast, okay siya. Yung cardioid naman, yun yung sinasabi ko, may condenser siya, no, na it's used for podcast, streaming, voiceover, lalo na ayaw nyo masyadong maingay ang background ninyo, which is, yun ang trabaho ng condenser mic, to cancel the background noise. And bidirectional, you can use one mic for interview, one-on-one interview, para hindi na kayo just to buy 2 mics just for interview. Magkaharapan naman kayo face-to-face, pwede nang gamitin to, bidirectional. And by the way guys, itong buong stream natin is being recorded using this one, si HyperX Quadcast S. So, mapapakinggan nyo yung ganda ng sounds nito na kahanga-hanga. No? So, I'll try to use this one over sa mga live stream ko in the coming months or days. Try natin kung gaano siya ka-okay. No? But of course, I won't be able to show you. But at least alam nyo what this mic can do right now kasi this whole video is being recorded using this mic. And the second item na pinadala sa atin ni HyperX is this one, ang keyboard na ito. I know that I'm not really a fan ng pink, which is, well, pinkish ang metallic pink ang finish nito, and I'm not really quite much of a fan ng pink. But of course, this is the only color. So, how can I complain? So, sa likod, meron siyang pang-angat. Okay, so ako most likely ginagamit ko naman medyo tilted konti para mas comfy mag-type, no, lalo sa mga keys na sa ibabaw. And ang tawag dito is the HyperX Alloy Origin 60. So, this is a 60% petite form factor na may double shot PBT key caps. And ang switches pala niya is a red linear switches. So, alam natin ang linear is smooth ang every single click, and medyo mas quiet siya as compared sa mga mas maingay na mga tactile. And mas quiet siya as compared sa mga brown na tactile switch and blue na clicky switch. So, quickly pakinggan lang natin yung sound niya, no? So, hindi siya maingay, no? So, pag nag-click-click ka, yan. And I can say na smooth ang every single press dito sa kanya. So, definitely, this is something na you have to appreciate, lalo na if you're not too much of yung mahilig sa mga maingay na click, 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 click na mechanical keyboard, I think this is a good one. Except for me, medyo, well, konting sanayan lang kasi wala si mga directional switch dito. And mapapansin nyo, wala yung mga F1, F2 dito sa ibabaw. So, ang kailangan mo gawin is Fn, tapos 1 para magkaroon ng F1 na function, no? So, overall, it's just kunting sanayan lang, no? Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ganda ng RGB neto. So, right now, kabit ko lang sa aking keyboard. And by the way, guys, is also using the HyperX Ingenuity. So, guys, kita natin yung ganda nitong ilaw niya. And nakasync siya right now, sabay sila ng color dahil sa gamit ko ang HyperX Ingenuity to be able to control all of them all at the same time para pare-pareho kanilang ilaw. And it looks nice, lalo pag uniform sila, nagfo-flow. Kaya kita mo guys, no? Parehong kulay nila sabay. Yan, pag blue, pag purple, pag pink, pag purple, pag yellow. Ayan, ganang. Ganda ng ano nila, no? So, a little bit later, papakita ko sa inyo quick gaming dito. I'll just share my quick experience dito sa keyboard na ito. So, for me, medyo kunting sanayan lang. But, yeah, medyo will get the hang of it. And ang third item na meron natin right now is the HyperX Pulsar Haste. So, it's a mouse na color white na sobrang gaan. Medyo natitripan ko rin siya, no? Kasi there are some of those mouse na ginagamit ko for gaming. Medyo may kunting kabigatan. But this one, sobrang gaan, guys. 60 grams. 60 grams. Imagine, gaano kagaan yun. Halos featherweight ng mouse na ito, no? And like I told you, one of its property is ultra lightweight. And of course, 60 grams ang kanyang weight. Then of course, meron sa HyperX na flex cable. As well as meron siyang PixR 3335 sensor which can let you use up to 16,000 dpi. Perfect for gaming. And to quickly show you yung mouse, ganito itsura niya. So, kita perforated siya to make it really, really light. Sobrang gaan. Guys, mabibilib ka, no? Kaya natin buhatin to in just one finger. Yan. Try natin buhatin just one finger. Oh, ha? Kayang-kaya buhatin in just one finger. Yan. Yan, munting malaglag. So, kita natin, no? It's also being paired using the HyperX Ingenuity. So, kung anong kulay ng aking mic, it's the same color din ng aking mouse. Aking scroll wheel dito na mouse, no? I was wishing na sana meron ilaw din from the inside para mas magandang itsura niya. But overall, okay na ako. Happy na ako sa kanyang design. But could have been a little bit better yung kanyang, kanyang RGB. Or maybe meron RGB sa ilalim para pag lalaro kayo yung parang illuminated yung mouse mo. It looks a lot better. So some of the buttons here, forward, backward, and of course, pag change the DPI mo is here, scroll wheel mo. And I can say na ang pagka-perforated niya is really nice. Except that it's still color pink. So, pansin ko tong team ni HyperX this time around is everything's pink. And yeah, I'm okay. I'm fine with it. Just medyo kunting sanayan lang kasi I'm not really too much of a pink fan. And of course, the last item na gagamitin natin later for a quick game is this one. Si HyperX Cloud 2. And this is a headphone na sobrang comfy. And I've checked a couple of trusted reviews online. Tiningnan natin kung gaano ka-okay itong Cloud 2 na ito. And sabi nila, this is legendary ang kanyang comfort. Masarap sa tenga, yung tipong pag sinuot mo, halos hindi mo na siya tatanggalin. And well, yeah, sabi nga na dito, legendary comfort. And this is, sabi nga nila, this is a parang remastered na edition ng Cloud 2. Previously, meron din Cloud 2, but ito parang binalik lang nila and they remastered it to give you yun sa, I'm sure this is probably a fan favorite before. Kaya inulit nila for the fans ng HyperX. And some of the specs na nandito, basahin lang natin quickly. It has amazing sound. It has virtual surround sound, 7.1 channels. Then durable aluminum frame, noise cancelling mic, and memory foam. Okay, so pwede siya sa PC, PS5, and PS4. And ito na ang headset ni HyperX Cloud 2. It's really white. Ang ganda ng pagka-white. Tapos yung dito, no, yung pink na dito is nakatahi. Ang ganda. It really looks like a piece of art. Ganda ng pagkagawa niya. No? Very premium. Very nice looking. And the logo of HyperX is being etched over here. So kita natin ang ganda ng pagkagawa. No? No problem. Ang problem dito is pag tumagal, I'm not quite sure kung maninilaw siya o hindi. But of course, there's some cleaning solution for that. So, not too much of a big problem. And, paghawak ko guys. Paghawak ko yung memory foam niya. Sobrang lambot, guys. I'm not sure if I've ever tried anything this soft. But, To be honest with you, I guess this is the first time. I've tried a lot of headphones in the past, but probably none as soft as this one. Sobrang malambot guys, oh. I mean, parang ano no, parang donut lang na nilagay mo sa tenga mo, ganun kalambot. And nandito ang port na pwede mo kabit ang iyong mic, but of course we won't be able to test it since gamit na natin si Quadcast S. Baka mag-conflict silang dalawa, no? So baka mahirapan lang ako later mag-edit ng audio since there could only be one source. So sinasabi niya extendable lang ni aluminum frame, which is of course pink. So since nakabit na siya dito sa aking HyperX na Quadcast S, so I'll be able to listen to playback ng voice recording ko using these headphones. Okay? So yeah, right now narinig ko yung recording basically. So I can say na okay naman while I'm recording using the software sa aking PC dito sa likod. So I can say na it's okay. And of course, malalaman niyo naman ang sound quality nitong Quadcast S when you listen to the full video nitong ginawa natin for HyperX. So okay, right now guys, we're trying to set up our Forza Horizon 4. So, and gamit natin ang motherboard is from ASRock, and as well as yung ating Radeon na 6800 XT is also from ASRock. So we'll be making a separate video for that one. So don't you worry, papakita ko sa inyo yung capability yan. Ano. So right now, gamit natin ang keyboard ni HyperX, and I can say na the typing quality is definitely nice, and it's quite soft, no? So I'm really loving it. And to be honest with you guys, it's medyo nakakapanibago, no? If you're coming off from yung full-size keyboard, this one talaga kailangan medyo konting sanayan lang, no? Kasi parang instead of having a full-size keyboard, hati siya, no? So mapapansin mo na parang mas maliit siya yung form factor niya. But if you're gaming, not really too much of a problem. So right now, I can say ang sounds niya coming here sa aking tenga is definitely nice. And what I can say is, ang ganda ng kanyang sound, no? 7.1 channels. The sound quality is definitely for the gamers out there. And what I can say, yung kanyang memory foam talaga, it's outstanding. Ang lambot, guys. This is probably the first time na masasabi ko sa inyo na I'm loving a white na set ng gaming keyboard, gaming mouse, and gaming headset, as well as ating pang live cast, pang streaming, pang podcast is also color white. It's definitely something refreshing for me. Okay guys, so after playing a quick game ng Forza Horizon 4, I can see sobrang nag-enjoy dito. And probably I'll be continue to play this game until and some other games para mabigay ko sa inyo yung aking insight about yung mga ginamit natin from ASRock, and as well as yung storage yung ginamit natin also from Crucial, and malalaman natin in our full review for this CPU out there. So guys, basically we've tried everything from the mouse, the keyboard, the of course the microphone over here, and of course the headset here na sa akin tenga. I can say really it's really nice. It's an all white na collection from HyperX. I'm not too much of a fan ng white, but this time around I can say na ang ganda niya. Really, Probably the first time that I appreciate something na color white. And maybe next time, pwede naman tayo gumawa ng panibagong setup na color white. Who knows, in the near future, yung mic stand natin, gawin natin white. And yung setup na yung table natin, gawin natin white. It's not far-fetched kasi meron na tayong mga things to start from. Itong mga peripherals natin from HyperX, and it's definitely going to look neat. Ang white talaga definitely neat. As long as may taong tagalinis, I'm sure white is definitely the color to go. And I'm pretty sure ang daming gamers out there na mahilig sa color white. So definitely this is something perfect just for you. And guys, of course, if you want to know saan pwede mabili itong mga gadgets from HyperX to make your gaming and your live streaming a little bit better, check out the link below na ipopost natin sa description box. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richman and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?